Alright, so they just delivered this box, I guess you could call it. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think it might be my my trailer hitch that I ordered for my 3-point connection in the back of my tractor. So I'm going to go take this bush hog here off, and we'll get this loaded up. This is from Titan. I've used their pallet forks before, and they're much higher quality than some of the competitors. And based on the pictures, it looks like this is going to be the same deal. This just was a much better quality product than some of the other trailer hitch 3-point connections I could have bought. So at any rate, we're going to package this. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that it's my 3-point hitch, and quite the box. And we'll get this tested out. It looks like we got some pieces parts here. Alright, so first thing I want to do is see how these bolts compare to my pins I've already got. Looks like this is the same size pin, so that'll be good. Now I got to figure out what this, then I guess this is a bushing or something. Not sure what yet, but so I'm going to see where this tries to screw onto the or bolt onto the trailer hitch part. Alright, so this did not come with any instructions. I'm assuming they figure if you know enough to order the part, you know enough to figure out what to do with it. So this fits through the hole here. So does the threaded part. So my guess is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bolt off, that nut off, put it through here, attach it, and then this will attach to my 3-point hitch. Now I've got 3 of these. I've only got 2 of these, which is kind of troubling because I've got 1, 2, 3 points to connect. Now I think I can use one of these through here to connect, which will be just fine, but I'm kind of curious as to whether or not I'm missing one of these or what this third one is for. See, I got 1, 2, 3 of these. At any rate, I got enough piece parts to make it work, so that's what we're going to do. Now, I could tighten these up with a wrench, but I'm literally going to move a trailer and then I'm going to be done. So I'm going to be taking these right back off. I'm not worried about them working their way loose in that time period. The kind of curious part is I've got my ball here. I don't have any way to access the back side. So there is no way to access. This is sealed. There's no way to access the back side of this ball. So I'm guessing if I need to switch balls, I'm going to have to take this off somehow, and then hopefully the other ball will just fit inside there. So this has got a flat spot on it here and here, so I can get a wrench on it and to take that off. Also of note is I said I got 3 of these. Well, actually I got 2, and then this one here is a different size. You can see it's slightly different length, and it's a different diameter. You can see it there, it's a different diameter. So, at any rate, I'm guessing these are just bushings. If I have different size pins, I can use these as adapters. I don't think I'm going to need them. Alright, so we we got the bottom in. Alright, so time to put the top hitch in. So this is the pin. This is the pin I normally use for the top point on my bush hog or whatever. And it fits through there, so that's what we're going to use. Alright, so we're here at the trailer I gotta move, and you can see that my ball up here on top is way too high. I lowered it down and it won't fit up underneath my hitch over here. But I've got this old hitch, which is how I used to move things around on the tractor before I got this brand new shiny thing. And this actually clamps on to the front bucket. The front bucket slides in here, and then you clamp it down. And it's got this piece on here that you can use to move your different trailers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal this insert part, and I'm trying to remember which size ball I got. I think it's that one. And at any rate, we're going to slide this in here, put the pin through, and then we'll use that to lift the trailer. Alright, so that was pretty easy. I don't know what to do with my chains. Maybe that's what these things are for, is to maybe put some sort of eye bolt through there that you can clip on. I'm just going to put it in there like that. That should hold it, but it certainly wouldn't, you know, my safety latch here doesn't engage or anything, so I'd really want like an eye bolt sticking out through here. This thing does have a bolt that goes into it, like it would secure something, but again, not real sure how I'm supposed to use this, but I'll probably just buy some big eye bolts to put through there, and then that way I can put my chains on those and they'll latch. So time to get this baby moved.